The test was so hard, hardly anyone passed. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use hardly any and hardly ever. We use hardly any, hardly anyone, hardly anything, and hardly anywhere to mean not many or very few. He has got hardly any money. The test was so hard, hardly anyone passed. I want to travel. I've been hardly anywhere. My date was horrible. She hardly said anything the whole time. We use hardly ever to mean almost never. I hardly ever make coffee at home. I almost always go to a cafe. My parents are fat. They hardly ever exercise. The 8 o'clock bus is hardly ever on time. I don't like my glasses. I hardly ever wear them. Give it a go. Make a sentence with hardly and leave it in the comments. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.